Oh my gosh, guys, look at the size of this. This is crazy. All right, let's see. It's light, it feels light. Look at that. That's, you see that out in the distance? That's a huge bass. Look at that big swirl right there. Look at the size of that. Guys, this I think is the biggest fish I've ever caught. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this mouth on this bass. Oh my God. I thought it was I don't know what I thought it was. This is the unbelievable night.
That's a big one, son.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
This
is the second one. Oh my gosh. This is bigger than the first. I think this is a double digit. So
I'm
it's
positive.
It's either 9 or 10. Let's we're gonna see. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the size. It's light, it feels light. 10 pound, oh wait.
10 pound 4
A
ounces.
double digit, we did it. All right.
You did it.
Woo!
Wow.
10 pounder. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been trying to do this for a long time.
Congratulations, son.
Look at the size of this.
Wow.
All right.
Look at the bulging eyes that I told you about. Man.
10 pounds, guys. 10 pounder on Lake Fork tonight. An amazing, amazing night. Look at the size of this. My first double digit, so excited. What's up, guys? We are gonna go ahead and let go of this 10 pounder. It's 10.2. I got it measured. You can submit it to the Texas Parks and Wildlife, the Share Lunker program, up from 8 pounds and up. So you just got to get a picture on a measuring board. You got to have the whole fish on there, pictured. Make sure the lip is touching. You have to have holding it with the weight, and then you have a picture of you holding it. So
Holding it with the scale. You mean?
holding it with the scale. Thank you. So now we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go, this girl go, so she can spawn, bring these eggs out. So she's still doing good. She's a little tired. We're gonna let her go. If you can come with me, sir, we're gonna let her go up here. Look at the size of this thing. All right. So this is what 10 pounds looks like. It's my first 10 pounder. I'm so excited about this, but we're gonna let her go, let her spawn out, and she's gonna say goodbye. So, all right. Give her a little bit of air here. Get some fresh oxygen in the water here. She's swimming off by herself.
Gone.
She's gone.
Alrighty.
She's good. She's happy. I'm happy. Man, thank you, Dad. This has been awesome. And now it's your turn.
Let's go.
All right.
Hey guys, this is Tackle Co-op, a project that I've been working on. It's a website that allows all custom lure manufacturers to start listing their product in one place, making it easier for you to find custom lures. There are some really cool vendors on here with some really good products. You got to check them out. tacklecoop.com. Check it out.